whatever the society requires. I can give you number of examples where people don't afraid from the law today. Being a criminal practicing lawyer, even in murder cases, rape cases, number of other cases are there in criminal trial, criminal law, where I say people don't afraid, and there are number of reasons for that. I'm coming on again, this is sedition. I think sedition's law, as per the judgment of the Supreme Court, I think Supreme Court told the Parliament to repeal it or to enact a new law. But for that purpose, if law is being enacted, now I think that the bill has been placed before the Parliament and it has gone to the standing committee. I think select committee or whatever you can say, I don't know the exact word, but I can say only one thing. I think that is also few things, suggestions I was also told by somebody, even the Bar Council of India, all state bar councils, bar associations, eminent lawyers will be consulted by them.
Yes.
And if this is so, I totally agree with the Honorable Home Minister, if he is enacting the law which is a requirement of the prevailing circumstances of the country, of the society, I welcome this.
But I'm quite surprised, Mr. Vasudev, to start with, that we've lived with the British law for 150 plus years. Nobody thought of doing this. Shouldn't we give the government some credit for that?
No. There's a lot of good things which are happening in this behalf, repealing old laws. I mean, if you look at the last 7-8 years, you've repealed a lot of old acts, starting from the Hackney Act and God knows so on and so forth. Update the law, modernize it, that's the need of the day, that's the need of society. England had radical changes in 2006. They've had the Royal Commission. We are now coming to a situation where the test is how modern can we get and how much can we modify the law to keep in touch with the times.
What are the limitations? We should do whatever is right.
You're supposed to, you're government. But on the other side, when you change the laws, you must also make sure the citizen is protected. The protection of the citizen comes when you make sure that the prosecutions which are launched are not malicious.
There can never be a complete guarantee for that, can there be?
There can always be. You have systems abroad where the policemen are prosecuted if there's an acquittal.
But there's always going to be an argument to the contrary. For example, in this case, there is a law for mob lynchings.
That's right.
There is a law which has been brought in for mob lynchings. Kapil is very uncomfortable with that because he keeps coming on my programs all the time saying, you know, the government is allowing mob lynchings happen. They never actually